climate change, global warming, global protest for a change. Since the start of the industrial age, we have seen global CO2 emissions increase exponentially due to burning of fossil fuels. We can see efforts in the USA have substantially reduced coal as an energy source, substituting natural gas, still a fossil fuel emitting CO2. Renewable energy is the fastest growing source of electricity generation.
So look at this. That's a 10 kilowatt system. So 10 kilowatt systems is reducing 15 tons of CO2 emission every year. That's a pretty good. And this is equivalent to about planting 600 trees. Because one tree absorbs about 48 pounds or 50 pounds of CO2 every year.